In this session, we're going to look at lessons 114 to 117. And all four of these are going to deal with polynomials, which are these big numbers here, and usually we're using synthetic division to graph them. I went ahead and broke down all four lessons. Lesson 114, you're going to graph it in the calculator, and you're going to just figure out what they're looking for then. Lesson 115, you're going to use synthetic division and find the remainder. All they're looking for is the last number when you use synthetic division in your programs. Lesson 116 is also graph on your calculator. And then lesson 117, you're going to take the last number factors and divide it by the first number's factors. Okay, what do we mean by lesson 117? You guys know how to graph on the calculator, and then you know how to use synthetic division. And all they're wanting on lesson 115 is to just simply find the remainder, which is the last number. And then that's your answer. So very easy on lesson 115, something you guys already know how to do. Lesson 117 though, what do you mean by the last number factors and the first number factors? Well, in order to find everything they're looking for, we're going to take the factors of the last number, which would be 5, so it would be 1 and 5, and you're going to divide it by the first number, which is 1 and 2. This is actually going to be 4 different numbers. So 1 over 1 is 1. 1 over 2 is 1/2. 5 over 1 is 5. 5 over 2 is 5/2. So these will be the 4 answers to this one. Some of them will be bigger. For example, I think a great example to look at would be another one. You would have 4 as your first number, and then take something like 8 as your second number. So if 8's the second number, it's 1 and 8, 2 and 4. First number would be 1, 2, and 4. And so your answers here would be 1 over 1 is 1. 1 over 2 is 1/2. You're going to have a lot of answers. 1 over 4 is 1/4. So that one's done. 2 over 1 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. Now we already have it, so we won't put a duplicate in there. 2 over 4 is 1/2. Also a duplicate. Done. Next will be 4 over 1 is 4. 4 over 2 is 2, duplicate. 4 over 4 is 1, duplicate, done. 8 over 1 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4, duplicate, done. 8 over 4 is 2. These would be our answers here. That's it for lessons 114 through 117.